Right, so I'm getting ready to wire these rock lights in. I've got a few set there, so I'm going to put 6 aside. It's going to go 1 under the front wheel just here. I've got 2 on the bonnet, so I can use them for repair lights if I need to at night time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 along the run along the front side of each side, 2 up the front bonnet. Up here. And because they're magnetised, I can take them off and put them here or stick them down in here wherever I need to work, because I'll be sort of fairly loose with the wire. So just get to wiring them up now. Okay, so what I'm doing, just strip these wires back. I don't break them, I just strip them back. Then just from here, I'll just solder both sides on there, tape them up, then I'll slip a bit of heat shrink over the top. I'll come back and show you what it's like after. Alright, so I just soldered them up, just put a bit of electric tape on it. So now I'm just gonna slide a bit of heat shrink. Give me this. So I use the dual wall heat shrink with it's got the glue on it, which sort of seals it up, protect it from the weather a bit more, won't let as much water get in, so just squeeze all the glue in once I heat it up. So hopefully it just gets into all them gaps like you can see there. It's got a bit of glue. Yep, so that's it. I just run it along, slap it up there. Oh god, there. Just keep going. Alright, so wiring this switch just up in here, and I'll stick it in just in here, sort of out of the way. Saving this last spot for it's going to be a USB charger and a voltmeter, so I'm going to keep that up there. I'll keep these, that's my spotlights, so I'll keep them separate to the rock lights. The rock lights I'll just keep down there. The other side I've got my winch and just the safety switch for the winch cut off. So yeah, got this switch. It's a little bit of a pain, but basically this is earth, this is to the lights, and this is a 12 volt constant. I've run it from the battery. I've tapped in off the, I think, a cigarette lighter or something that's constant. I've just got a fuse on the back here, just for protection. So it's going to sit up in here. So that's on. it doesn't. I haven't really been able to figure out how to wire it with the lights so it comes on. So like these ones, they come on with the lights. Yeah, so it's a bit of a pain. These aren't the best switches, but they're cheap, so I might change them in a bit later, but for now they'll do. So down's on, you'll see. Yep, so you can see they're running. These switches hold 20 amps or something, so it should be. I think I did the draw, and with all of them it wasn't even 1 amp draw, so it should be fine for this switch. That's it. Alright, so this is the rock lights on. You can see it's shooting out a fair bit of light here. Once this is lifted up, it should shoot a little bit more light from out of here. Same as there. Got these ones here, so I can see what I'm doing in the engine bay, and I can also move them if I need to work on something. I can bring it over here, down here. It goes with all of them. I can sort of move all of them around if I need to work underneath the car at night. So it's there. So like if there's, like if I need to see something underneath the car, I can sort of move it around and whatnot. So that's it.